Nothing dey shele. Na our slang for Naija.
Yes.
Nothing dey happen. Na our normal yarn. Na say make you no worry. Even if trouble dey, you go still see us. They cause trouble on top social media. Guy, why you no even want vex? People go still cross your lane. No vex. Oh shit. You try to be say make you no cross anybody lane. You dey do your own thing, you dey go your own lane. You dey try to dey alright, even if money no dey. And e dey pain say money no dey to even buy garri. Oh God, oh which kind life, oh my God. Oh, and one person dey try to vex me for this place. Guy, you dey mad? Back down, not in front of the kids. Oh, sorry. Nothing dey shele, na our slang for Naija. Nothing dey happen, na our normal yarn. Na say make you no worry, things go soon fall in place. Na the challenges wey we dey face for this Nigeria. Oh,
nothing dey happen, nothing dey shele, nothing dey happen. Wakanda,
give me my accolade.
Nothing dey happen, nothing dey shele. Wakanda forever, Wakanda forever, Wakanda forever.
I say no worry, things go soon fall in place. Smile, chop your garri. No look person, we dey chop shawarma. Nothing dey shele, nothing dey shele, nothing dey happen. Nothing dey shele,
Will you get quiet?
No.
Wakanda forever.
Oh my God.